This is lesson number 98 of Paul McCord's Raspberry Pi Pico W series of lessons he has on YouTube. He asked us to, in this PIO, what do you call it? PIO StateMachine. He wanted us to take that stuff we did last week in 97. He pretty well set up actually, because here we put in the pulse width. Down here we put in the rep rate of 20 milliseconds, and down here we do all the hard work that does the time jump and lets things move. Okay, down here we do the setup for the state machine, and then we activate it. I couldn't think of a way to do this in just the state machine, so that's why this video was so late, because I was trying to figure out some way to do it just the state machine. I really couldn't come up with it. So anyway, here down in the Python, I do a couple of for loops, one for going from 500 to 2500 milliseconds for the servo position of 0 and 180 degrees at one step per position. And down here, I put J equal to range of 2500 down to 500, and with a step of -1. I basically just did the same thing he did on the last lesson. He just did these manually. He says you put in the value for 2500, then he said do pull, and that allowed the 2500 to get into this loop here so that you could see it. Okay, now if I run this boat anchor, here he goes. You can see the servos go from 0 to 180 and 180 to 0. You can see on the scope there, I'm going from 500 milliseconds all the way up to 1500 or 2500 milliseconds with a rep rate of 20 milliseconds on the scope. Anyhow, there's the homework, and I appreciate you doing these, Paul. Thanks for doing this stuff. Bye.